Hi Cancer babes, this meditation is for you. This is Steph, and thank you so much for being here. When you're ready, go ahead and take in a nice deep breath. And with your exhale, allow your eyes to close. Taking in another deep breath. Inhaling love and peace. And exhaling love and peace to surround you. Taking in another deep breath, coming into this moment to connect with you and your inner world. Exhaling nice and slow. Now, I want you to imagine that you're walking on a beach under the moonlight. And as you continue to walk upon the beach, you notice the moonlight glowing upon you, reflecting off the ocean, hearing the waves, feeling peaceful and calm. You can feel the coolness of the sand under your feet as you walk, noticing seashells along the beach as you walk, and you come upon this beautiful place, this spot, right here on the beach, next to the water, there, just waiting for you, that looks so inviting to just sit and rest for a moment, so that you can connect with yourself and your inner world on a deeper level to nourish and support your journey. As you sit down and relax into the spot, you see the ocean and the moon, and you breathe. You breathe deeply and comfortably. And as you tune into your inner world, you begin by asking yourself, where can you create more peace in your life? And you allow the answer to come to you. And now you decide in this area in your life where you can create more peace, how will you do something that will help you create more peace? What will you do? What will you start doing, or what will you stop doing? And you can ask your higher self, your spirit team, to assist you with this process. And now go ahead and ask yourself, what do you need right now? And then just receive the answer. It can be something small, such as a cup of tea, or something bigger, whatever that is to you. And now set the intention to honor that, to honor whatever it is that you need. Would it be beneficial to pour more self-love and self-acceptance into your life right now? What is one thing you can start doing to take care of yourself with more love? And now I want you to tune in to your honesty, to your courage, to your path. And what is something, a belief, a behavior, or a thought that no longer serves you, that would be for your highest good to release now? Now I want you to imagine that you can place this belief, behavior, or thought out into the ocean in whichever way you choose, and watch as the ocean takes it out to sea. And as it floats away and disappears, the ocean recycles this belief, behavior, or thought into energy that is supportive and loving of you and your journey. And now I want you to think about, to discover, what's a new belief, behavior, or thought that would nourish your journey. What would that be? And is it possible to set the intention that you'll add this into your life? How often will you do this thing or think this thought? How will it impact you? How will it nourish you? How will it influence you? And now just take a moment under the moon's light next to the ocean, grounding to the earth, the sand, and have gratitude for who you are, for your journey so far, all the lessons you've learned, all the love you've received, all the pain you've overcome, and the healing you continue to do. How you learn to trust yourself more and more every day. How your ability to love expands more and more every day. How your sympathy is deep. Your loyalty is strong. And you begin to have more self-acceptance and confidence every day of your life. And this is a beautiful thing. So take a moment here in gratitude for your life, for your journey, for you. Very well. taking in another deep breath, just letting that oxygen nourish you, every cell in your body. That gratitude and love and that peace flowing through you. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes and return to your day, feeling more like you, honoring your intentions, being, applying whatever it is you need to apply, honoring the answers that came up for you today. Have an incredible day, and thank you for being here. I'm sending you so much love for the year ahead, for the work you completed today, and for the work you will continue to do. Before you go, remember to hit like and subscribe. And from my heart to yours, thank you for being here. Namaste.